Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of high-ticket dropshipping. Well, have you ever thought about making up to $5,000 from a single product sale? If I say that's totally doable with high-ticket dropshipping, then trust me, it's a game changer. So, forget about those $10, $50 profits from low-ticket items. We're talking big bucks here. So what's the deal with high-ticket dropshipping? Forget chasing after viral products. Head over to platforms like Alibaba and snag those high-ticket gems. Just have a game plan for your niche. Pick high-quality, in-demand products with lightning-fast delivery and killer refund policies. And you're set. With high-ticket dropshipping, you're not just peddling random stuff. You're offering customers game-changing products that upgrade their lifestyle. Plus, it's not just about starting a business. You're building a brand known for quality, reliability, and happy customers. Cool, right? Well, what's the beauty of high-ticket dropshipping? It's the trust. With high-ticket items, customers need to trust you before they whip out their credit cards. That's why building strong relationships with reliable suppliers is the key. And guess what? These relationships can last for years, allowing you to scale your business to infinity and beyond. In this episode, we'll dive deep into finding trustworthy suppliers. We will talk about how to set up your store and to craft a perfect strategy that'll have customers happily dropping $1,000, $2,000, or even $5,000 in your products. Trust me, this isn't your everyday dropshipping gig. It's a real scalable business. If you want to know how exactly to do dropshipping, I have dropped links to tutorials of dropshipping guide and how to build Shopify website for that. Do check them for guidance. So, without further delay, let's get into the multi-million world of high-ticket dropshipping. First of all, let's talk about sourcing products and what's the main difference when it comes to high-ticket dropshipping. Sourcing products for high-ticket dropshipping is different from a typical route. In this specific model, the pro fact is you face less competition and bigger opportunities. Selling low-ticket items means juggling tons of orders and customer service issues. It's a headache. But with high-ticket items, you sell fewer products, process fewer orders, and still make big profits. So you're curious about high-profit dropshipping, huh? Let's chat about it. High-profit dropshipping is basically when you sell something for way more than you bought it for. Like selling a t-shirt that cost you $2 for 12s? That's a sweet $10 profit right there. But imagine selling a massage chair. This will sell for $3,000 that only cost you $1,000. That's a whopping $2,000 in your pocket. So aim for products where you can make at least 50% profit or more. Now, what should you sell? Think big. Furniture, wedding rings, even tabletop games like ping pong and pool. Just Google items over $1,000 to see what's selling. Now let's talk niches. You want to pick products that people are already searching for. The sweet spot? At least 30,000 searches a month. This means there's demand, and you're not shouting into the void. So, where do you find these golden products? Check out Supplier HQ. It's a goldmine for finding product ideas with data on search demand, seasonality, and more. Plus, they even have a weekly $1 million product drop. They give you the suppliers, product breakdowns, and advertising strategies. Now, let's talk about some cool niches. First up, luxury furniture, or some unique, innovative home decor. Who doesn't love a stylish sofa or something unique like a futuristic edge chair? These are definitely going to be your products because people have the home improvement bug in their minds. These high-end pieces not only look great, but can also bring in some serious cash. And hey, don't forget about home decor and lighting. Modern chandeliers and those funky lamps are not only cool to look at, but also super profitable. All right, it's time for tech and electronics. From smart home gadgets like robotic cleaners to cool kitchen appliances like countertop dishwashers, tech is where it's at. People are always looking for the next big thing to make their lives easier or just more fun. Now, here's a fun trick, the rabbit hole strategy. Ever tried using a random word generator? It's like uncovering hidden treasures to find untapped niches. Just type in a word like tech or home appliance and see where it takes you. You might discover a whole new world of products you never even knew existed. For this, go to Google, search the words, and always try to filter price range between $500 to $1,500. Once you've got a product in mind, finding the right suppliers is crucial. Look for brands with over 300 monthly Google searches, premium products, and high profit margins. Also, check for MAP, minimum advertising price, to protect your margins. Google is your friend here. Search for pool table dropshippers or furniture wholesalers in the US. Look for websites like Wholesale Right or Trademark Commerce. Make sure they ship from the US or UK to keep costs down. Here is the list of some of the best dropshipping suppliers in the UK and US. 1. eSources. 2. Wholesale Deals. 3. CJ Dropshipping. 4. Alibaba. 5. Salehu. For instance, go to Alibaba and search the products, and at the end add US or UK warehouse. From there, you can choose the warehouse with the fastest shipping, and that's it. Remember, your website is crucial. So choose Shopify as a great starting point. Its link is in the description. It's super simple to use and packed with functionalities and professional themes. For crazy conversions and sales, connect your store to AI platforms like EcommerceBot. Also, keep your product descriptions simple and informative. List features, specs, and what's included. Reviews are gold, so encourage customers to leave feedback. Remember to clearly define policies on refunds, returns, and shipping. This will answer customers' questions right when they have them, boosting their confidence in buying. Also, it will save you from risks in selling high-ticket products. Now, let's talk about advertising. High-ticket dropshipping requires a different approach. Target people searching for specific brand names, not just generic terms. If someone's looking for a Yanmar snowblower, be the first thing they see. Use platforms like Facebook and Google Ads and EcommerceBot for targeting people interested in your niche. Here's where things get even better. If you want to take your high-ticket dropshipping game to the next level, check out EcommerceBot.com. It's a game-changing tool that creates AI ads for Google and Meta, suggests titles, and provides detailed analytics of conversions and clicks. Its website bot and FAQ trainer will leave you speechless with its capability to deal with customers. And yes, it can switch to live chat as well. So, there is no chance of missing any sales. Isn't it amazing? Its link is in the description, and guess what? It's available for a free trial. Now, when it comes to picking what to sell, you want something that's a winner all year round, right? Instead of chasing after seasonal trends and juggling different strategies, why not go for niches that bring in sales month after month? Electric bikes are everywhere these days and are here to stay. It's not just about selling them. These bikes need a little love and care, from regular maintenance to recycling those must-have batteries. Spot the most significant challenges or market gaps, and bam, you've found your whole new niche. Home gyms were another winner. With 40–50% margins, you can generate over $167,000 in sales. Next, saunas. With 95,000 searches per month, this product is a goldmine. Now, if you feel a spark for seasonal niches, dive right in. Just remember, speed is key. Here are some of the products for the seasonal stuff category. Wood stoves. Perfect for colder months, these had 51,000 searches per month. You can find suppliers through stores like eFireplace Store, and it has the potential to get you $500,000 in profits. Lastly, steam showers. This has a spark to make you around $140,000 in sales by selling this single product. There you have it, guys. A complete guide, super powered, with tips and strategies about high-ticket dropshipping and how it works to generate millions in profits. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in comments. And if you are new to this channel, welcome. We provide updated and latest tutorial, tips, and strategies about how to make money online. So, let's build your first $10,000 a day business together. Until next time, keep hustling, keep growing.